Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to find the free music or the audio files for your YouTube videos. Okay, so whenever you are creating any kind of YouTube videos, if you add some kind of music in between the videos, or if you add some kind of music in the background of your video for your YouTube videos, definitely viewers will find some kind of impression on your videos and they feel like watching your videos and again because if you add the music it feels really good whenever the audience or the viewers watching your videos. Okay, so in this particular video I'm going to tell you like where to find and how to find the free music or the audio files for your YouTube videos. And if you use these kind of audio files or these kind of music files, you will not be getting any kind of copyright claim or the copyright strike. Okay, so now let's see like where we can find this and how to find this music or the audio files. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. Okay, so here you can see like home videos, short playlist, community and all. Okay, so on the top right, sign in to your YouTube account. On the top right here you can see your profile picture. Click on that particular option. So here you can see the various options like Google account, switch account, sign out, YouTube studio and all. Okay, so click on the YouTube studio. Once you click on the YouTube studio, here you can see the various options like content dashboard, content analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright, on customization, audio library. So click on this particular option, audio library. Once you click on that particular option, so here you can see the various audio files, audio library files. So here you can see the music, sound effects, start and all. Okay, so once you click on this particular option, so here you can see the various sounds or the audio files. So whichever the audio file you want to use it, here you can go and you can click on this download option. Once you click on the download option, that particular audio file will be downloaded on your system. Okay, so this is how you can find the free audio files for your YouTube channel. So you can use these audio files in your videos and you will not be getting any kind of copyright claim or the copyright strike. Okay, so this is how you can find the free music for your YouTube videos. Okay, so that's all about this particular video guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in all. Thank you. Bye bye.